Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most heated rivalries in artificial intelligence, Gemini versus ChatGPT. At the arrival of Gemini 2.0, Google has officially entered the big leagues, and it's already shaking up the entire AI landscape. So what makes Gemini different? Is it really better than ChatGPT? And what does this mean for businesses, creators, and everyday users like you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this AI showdown is just getting started. Let's dive in. WHAT is Gemini 2.0. Gemini 2.0 is not just another AI update, it's a complete transformation. It all begins with the Flash model, the new workhorse in Google's arsenal. And the buzz hasn't stopped. Gemini is making headlines for one major reason: it's multimodal. That means it can handle text, images, and audio all at once. Imagine asking an AI to explain a topic, and it gives you a written explanation, a diagram, and even a voice narration in real time. That's the power of Gemini. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to Gemini 2.0 Flash, the model delivers real-time responses with low latency, making it perfect for live customer support, real-time data analysis, and interactive applications. And because it's deeply integrated across Google's ecosystem from Workspace to YouTube and Google Maps, Gemini becomes even more powerful. No need for third-party plugins. It's all built in. With supporting projects like Project Astra and Project Mariner, Gemini isn't just another chatbot, it's an agent that can plan, reason, and take action on your behalf. How ChatGPT compares? But let's not count out ChatGPT. OpenAI has been leading the conversational AI space for years, and its natural, human-like responses are still unmatched. Developers love it, businesses use it, and updates like GPT-4 Turbo continue to push it forward. Plus, ChatGPT supports plugins, offers a wide API network, and has built a loyal global user base. Whether you're a student looking for help or a pro automating your workflow, ChatGPT delivers. But there are a few challenges. First, its multimodal capabilities are still in development. Compared to Gemini's seamless text, image, and audio integration, ChatGPT still has catching up to do. Second, while ChatGPT is quick, it doesn't yet match the instant response speed of Gemini 2.0 Flash. And finally, integration. ChatGPT relies on plugins and third-party tools. Meanwhile, Gemini works natively across Google's platforms, making it more streamlined. The breakdown head-to-head. So how do they really stack up? Multimodal output. Gemini leads. It handles multiple content types effortlessly. Real-time performance. Gemini wins again with ultra-low latency. Tool integration. Gemini is built into Google Tools. ChatGPT needs plugins. User experience. ChatGPT is conversational and friendly. Gemini is task-driven and powerful. Each platform has strengths, but Gemini is clearly positioning itself as the more versatile and scalable option. Why multimodal AI matters? But why is all of this important? Because multimodal AI is the future. Picture this: you need to make a presentation. An AI like Gemini writes the text, designs the slides, adds visuals, and narrates it all from one prompt. In education, students could get personalized lessons, visual explanations, and audio walkthroughs. In healthcare, doctors could receive real-time reports with visuals and AI-generated insights. In content creation, creators can now generate full media packages without needing an entire team. Gemini is already doing that. ChatGPT is working toward it, but it's not quite there yet. Real-world impact. Gemini in action. Gemini's real-time and multimodal power is changing how businesses operate. In customer service, Gemini can solve issues live, using text, visuals, and voice. In e-commerce, it can run campaigns, manage inventory, and personalize marketing all autonomously. In finance and logistics, its speed helps businesses make smarter, faster decisions. And for everyday users, Gemini is like a smart assistant. Planning a trip? Gemini can give you a list, a map, a narrated guide, and even a calendar reminder all at once. That's the future of user experience. Why Google may be unstoppable. So, why might Google have the edge? It all comes down to data and infrastructure. Google runs Search, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, and Workspace. All that data flows into Gemini, giving it an intelligence boost that's hard to match. Meanwhile, ChatGPT relies on partnerships and open-source information. And with projects like Astra and Mariner, Google is building AI agents that can take actions, not just respond. Gemini's tech stack is built on 6th-generation TPUs, meaning it can scale to millions of real-time users, perfect for streaming, healthcare, education, and more. There's also Jules, a coding AI, and Gemini 2, which turns a single image into a 3D game world. Google is thinking beyond chat. They're building the AI ecosystem of the future. The monopoly concern. But with great power comes great responsibility. Some are worried that Google is creating an AI monopoly. With Gemini embedded across Google's platforms, could it limit fair competition? And what about privacy? With so much personal data, users need reassurance that their information is protected. That's where OpenAI's more open, decentralized model might be more appealing to some users, offering a transparent alternative to Google's empire. So, which one wins, Gemini or ChatGPT? The truth is, the AI race isn't over. It's just getting started. Gemini might be in the lead today, but ChatGPT is evolving fast. Let us know in the comments which AI do you prefer and why. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive.